I did not wear gloves. So if you can see my fingers, it's all shiny. I hope this thing can come off really easily and that it doesn't affect my ability to have kids. What my project is going to be today is to ceramic coat the wheels. The project that I'm going to use to do the ceramic coating, it's made by a company called Proje, and never used it before, and I'm not being sponsored for this video. I purchased it with my own money off of Amazon. It comes as a kit. So I have cleaned all 4 wheels at this point with what we would call rubbing alcohol, but isopropyl alcohol. And time to talk about what's in this kit that I got from Proje that I purchased off of Amazon. So these 4 products, these 4 bottles makes up the Proje ceramic coating kit. And the first bottle here is the actual ceramic coater. The blue labeled bottle is a quick coat in case you just want to do you don't want to do the full ceramic, you just want to do quick detailing so you can get, the car to say clean between washes. You can use that for like a temporary ceramic coating. The prep spray is for if this is your first time on a car trying to do the ceramic coating. It's supposed to remove all of your old wax and any compound that you may have had on the car to prep the surface for the ceramic coating. And the ceramic soap is what you use for washes of the car after the ceramic product has been applied. The kit came with an applicator, some spray bottles, some spray things that you can screw in, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 red microfiber towels. And I believe the process is you put after you've done all your prep work, you put the ceramic coating liquid on, leave it on for 2 minutes. You can apply additional coats if you want to, and then you wipe it off. And I believe the lifespan of this product once it's applied. So I'm gonna take the applicator. I am not sure why there are 2 different colors on it. Just going to put the bottle back on, and I'll use the nozzle here. I will apply, it didn't say how much, just gonna be kind of liberal with it because I have a big bottle, and I'll just wipe it on the wheel. Don't savage me if I'm doing this wrong. It does look a little shinier now that I've applied this product to it. Maybe I should do a few more coats on it. I'll do the rest of the wheels, and then when I come back I will talk about just wiping down the wheel with the red microfiber towel. So at this point I've done 1 application on each of the wheel of the ceramic coating product. And right away I can tell it's not a huge difference. Some people may say maybe the wheel is wet, that's why it looks a little brighter. But there is some luster to the wheel. They do look a little shinier, I would say. So what I'm gonna do is wait a few minutes. I'll add maybe 1 more coat. There's still a lot of product in the bottle. I don't know how much you're supposed to use. There was no instructions on how many drops you put on the applicator. I was just being as liberal as I could. I was getting the applicator very wet and adding it. But as you're getting closer to this wheel, hopefully the bronze of the wheel comes through. Very shiny. It's not very blingy, I would think, but against the white of the BMW 535i, I think this is gonna be gorgeous. All right, so let me apply 1 more coat of this Proje ceramic coating product to each of these wheels using the applicator, and then I'll start wiping them down. I don't see anything really on the wheel that needs to be wiped off, but I'm just gonna follow the process of wiping off the wheel after I've put on all of the coats that I need. I'll put on one more coat and then I'll come back when it's time to just use the applicator towel to just buff everything off. All right, so see you all soon. It didn't come across well on camera, but it did add some shine to the wheel. I'm gonna let them sit for a couple of minutes and then I am gonna wipe. I do see some like streaking on the surface of the wheel, so I'm assuming that's what the microfiber towel is for, to help polish off any overruns on the wheel, on any of the wheel surfaces. But yeah, that's the next step. And once I do that, I'll just give you guys a final thought of the process. Nice color. I am happy with it so far. Just gonna clean the inside of the barrel. There is a lot of streaking from the product, so I think maybe that's what the towel is supposed to do, to help remove the excess product. There's not a lot of lint being left behind by the towel. But yes, visually I see a difference. It's like an enhancement to the powder coating that was added. Okay, so I am done with the steps that were described in the process on the bottle for applying the Proje ceramic coating to my freshly powder coated wheels. I have not driven on these as yet, so this is the first thing I've done to the wheels besides having the tires mounted on them and the wheels being balanced. The product itself, from a packaging standpoint, I wished that the pack that it came in had a zipper, so I can put everything back that was unused and zip it up and put it away. Just a minor inconvenience. The other thing I wish the kit came with was at least a glove. Even if it was, I have big fingers and a pretty big hand, but even if it didn't fit, at least I would know I'd need a glove. It would have been helpful to have gloves for this process, because on my fingers have it, I smell like gasoline, and that's what this ceramic product kind of smells like. I recommend doing it in a well ventilated space, whether it's outside or a place where you have a fan or something moving the air around, because I don't know if that would make you nauseous or might even knock you out. But putting on the product was easy using the applicator. I am now faced with the task of, if I do want to use this on my car, do I need to buy additional applicators? I think yes. I think I may have to toss the towel that I use. There are 3 more in the pack. I toss the towel, I'll toss the applicator. I did put the little cover that came off of the bottle back into the bottle and put the bottle back into the pack. Since the wheels were never used before and they just came out of the oven a few days ago, isopropyl alcohol was all I needed to clean up. If you do have a car that you've been using, or you have wheels that you've been riding on for a while, follow the process on the bottle, go through the whole cleaning steps. Maybe it would work out for you if you follow the prescribed steps. As far as the wheels go, do I see a difference? I do see additional luster. It is shinier, not a whole lot, but it is shinier than when I picked them up this morning. I don't know if it's because I cleaned the wheel more or if this product added some shine to it, but there is an additional shine to it. As far as longevity, that's still to be determined. Then as far as the cost of the product, for me, that kit cost, I believe it was probably $80 on Amazon. For those 4 products and the towels, the applicator, the spray, I don't know. It's not a huge cost. It's not gonna drive you to the bank. There are other ceramic products on the market. I've never used any of them. This is my first time doing anything, even being on video. This is my very first time, so I can't recommend products. This was easy to use. Would that ease of use translate into usability of the product? Will it stand up to the test of time? Still to be determined. If I can do this, and I'm Captain Clumsy, if I can do this, anyone can do this.